Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and access your PayPal account number. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get into it. For that, first of all, access your browser, type in paypal.com and access your account. Now go ahead, sign in as well. Now afterwards, once you have done so and verified yourself properly, you will be able to access plenty of options right over here, and there's more icon as well on top. Once you have tapped on it, you will be able to see this option of see your direct deposit info. Among the menu options, go ahead, tap on it, and now you will be able to see your account number including the routing number as well. That is, you can simply again choose to copy it, share it with anybody you would like to receive money from, or anything like that. So basically that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.